What is up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. So right now I'm about to react to this song called Blizzard by Diana and Ankudinova. So let's get to it. Studio. Reminds me of like the particles in the snow globe. Oh, they in an actual blizzard too.
Где-то там за окном ходит зима, сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом.
That's crazy. Look like they're having sleepless nights. They just showed two people in beds, a woman and a dude. So it looks like they overlaid one of her on-stage performances within like this video of slides. Yeah, it looks like some type of look like the guy is suffering from some type of anxiety, because he's like rubbing his face, and then it showed, you know, a picture of a clock which represents time, and then it shows Diana looking out the window. So I think that's what this is referencing. The blizzard represents the hardship or anxiety somebody's enduring, because I think that's why they showed the guy in the bed, and then they showed a woman in the bed as well. And she's like in black and white right there. Dope as always. She always has those strong vocal performances. And she's headed out. The woman is to the blizzard, to the sun. This is interesting. It was short, but it was a lot packed into this. This is pretty cool. Bunch of thumbs up, so it's looking like her fans liked it as well. See a couple of hearts. Yeah, this is cool. But yeah, that's what I think it was about. Anxiety, someone suffering from anxiety or longing to be with someone else. That's why I think that's why it showed a juxtaposition between the guy and the woman, because maybe they want to be with each other, but because of the blizzard they can't. But that's gonna pretty much do it for my reaction. I appreciate you all for tuning in. Before you go, be sure to leave a like and a comment below, and until the next one, Peace.